It doesn't matter if she gets here late or not. It doesn't make any difference whether he wants to go. It makes no difference if he calls back. It makes no difference what she tells him to get. Doesn't it matter whether they have the money to do it or not? It didn't make any difference whether he found out what we did. It doesn't matter who she's going to be going there with. It doesn't make any difference how he managed to get that much money. It makes no difference if he has anything to do or not. Does it make a difference if she'd rather do it some other time? Will it matter if they wind up coming late? It'll make no difference whether he notices that we've fallen in love or not. Does it make any difference how he tries to put it together? Does it matter when I have the chance to drop by there later? It didn't matter what he was about to complain about. Didn't it matter when she could have stayed there last week? What does it matter if they're not able to go out to eat with us? It doesn't make any difference what you heard him saying to do. Doesn't it matter if they get her to admit it? Does it matter if he'll be there to talk about it or not? What difference does it make if he says you're supposed to go first? Doesn't it make any difference when he has her go to pick it up? Did he tell you it didn't make any difference in how long you'll drop by?